everyone, it's Christyn Nawrot, Education Director for PHYTO Hair Care in the United States. Today we're going to talk about a fantastic option for clients that are suffering from genetic hair thinning. It's the PHYTOLIUM 4 system. To use this PHYTOLIUM system for genetic hair loss and chronic and severe hair loss, you're going to take your shampoo, shake it to wake it like we do all of our shampoos, lather up, rinse it out, do a second lather, and leave those bubbles on the scalp and hair for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Longer is fine as well. And then you can rinse from head to toe in the shower and squeeze out the moisture and then do your conditioning. And once you get out of the shower, you are going to take one ampule, the lid comes off. It actually has a little tiny lid and an applicator that goes right over the top. And then it has a little screw cap because you can actually get 1 to 2 applications out of one little bottle. So it has a little cap that keeps it airtight. It's applied directly to the scalp and massaged through. 7 to 8 drops is usually pretty good for an application. Massage it in and then you can proceed with styling. The best thing about this is it only goes on the scalp. You don't have to run it through the lengths and ends, and it's going to be used 3 times a week, and the best and most effective time to use it is in the AM hours. So again, just to recap, the PHYTOLIUM 4 is for chronic, serious, and genetic hair thinning, usually geared towards men, and the whole system itself is going to be used 3 times a week in the AM hours for the best benefit. And we look forward to your questions if you have about this range or any of our PHYTO products. You can always reach out to us on our social media platforms. I look forward to seeing you again. Au revoir.